Want to sell your products internationally without creating multiple stores? Here's how to use Shopify Markets to sell globally. Start by logging into your Shopify admin and clicking Settings, then select Markets. Shopify Markets allows you to manage multiple countries or regions from one store. Click Add Market, then choose the countries or regions you want to sell to, and click Add Market to confirm. After creating the market, click into it to customize settings. In the Products and Pricing section, you can adjust currency conversion, set fixed international prices, or control which products are available in that market. You can also review shipping and domain settings if needed. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Your store is now configured to sell to those international customers with localized pricing and settings. That's it. You're now using Shopify Markets to expand your store internationally. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.